Hello and a very warm welcome to ET Studios powered by ET Auto. I'm your host Himanshi Tiwari and we are joining you from the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Right now I'm joined by Arpan Basu, who is the Director Marketing and Product Development at Gibraltar Air Springs. Arpan, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting.
All right, Gibraltar here, Arpan here, the theme of this expo is co-creating value chains beyond boundaries, right?
Correct.
So what do you think, how much are we aligned as an industry to this theme?
See, we are participating in Auto Expo for the last 20 years. We have grown from a team of 13 people to 230 people over the last 20 years. So it has been contributing and adding value to human life all this while.
Yeah.
And as we speak, over the last couple of years, and specifically this exhibition, there's a sea change. The infrastructure, the number of collaborations, the number of new companies participating, coming in is completely different. So that not just adds to the value creation of the Indians, but it's a value creation on the global platform. So all these global brands are getting immense advantage of being present here, participating or even visiting us because they're trying to source the Indian product, they're trying to source the technology or something or the other which is Indian. So that's extremely important and that definitely very, very.
All right, right now we are all focusing on India being the manufacturing hub, right? The role of India being a global hub for manufacturing is continuously evolving. How is it looking like through your lens?
Oh, I have gone through the process when this company I represent, Gibraltar Air Springs, we used to import this product called Air Springs from United States.
Okay.
And we used to sell it for a long 18 years. Thereafter, we started manufacturing it here. And we started manufacturing not just for India. Right now, we have started exporting it to US, to other countries. So the table has turned.
Yeah.
So each and every country, especially post-COVID, they are looking at India as the preferred destination for manufacturing.
Yeah.
So service-wise, Gibraltar has always, Indian companies were always on the higher preference globally, especially with the softwares and all. But as far as brick and mortar manufacturing goes, post-COVID, it has taken a different shape altogether. All the global companies are eyeing India, are eyeing even the smallest of the MSMEs to make them, like Government of India has launched this program called Z, where they are trying to align the Indian MSMEs and Indian manufacturers to match up to the global standards. So, which ultimately is, something similar to that of ISO and whatsoever, with sustainability
At the core.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is something which is in the focus. So that adds to it.
All right, so made in India, made for Indians, but also for other countries, for other parts of the world.
Exactly.
Right? Thank you so much for answering that question. Right now in India, electrification, localization and digitization, these are the key trends, right?
Absolutely.
How do you think, how is this expo sort of addressing these trends currently and what challenges do you see? Do you see any challenges for the stakeholders and how can we sort of mitigate those challenges?
See, teething problems are bound to be there whenever there is a sea change coming in any of the sectors. But one very, very interesting part is the government of India is presently trying to integrate various sectors, tying it up with absolute transparency. So that makes very easy for any manufacturer, rather any company operating in India, more friendly and more viable on the global platform. Previously, there used to be some, I would say haziness in that part. So, electrification or even any adoption of new technology, like you see the EVs, the role of EVs. previously we used to make air springs for buses, trucks, and trailers, which would be like more of, those were running on diesel or petrol or whatsoever. Right now, we have added JBM to our portfolio, who are making the electric buses. So these electric buses are fitted with Gibraltar air springs. So we are also changing our product to suit the electric vehicles and electric buses and whatsoever. So this is a continuous process. So that's what we are catching up with.
All right, so will 2025 be the year for India's EV dream?
It's absolutely it's not the year. I would say it's just the beginning year. It's just the initiation.
Yeah, long decade
and
is.
yeah, a full long decade is there to give you the fruits for the same.
All right.
So,
thank you so much, Arpan, for having this conversation with us. It was wonderful chatting to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
And to our viewers, stay tuned for many more such conversations only at ET Studios, powered by ET Auto.